How to delete my Facebook account permanently without password. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete my Facebook account permanently without password. First of all, open up the Facebook app. Tap on search bar and search for an account you want to delete. Once you find it, tap on the account and click on three dots. Then tap on Find Support or Report. After that, select a problem as pretending to be someone. Then choose me in who they are pretending to be. Click to submit your report. Your report is now submitted. Click on Next. If you don't want to do anything else, then click on Done. After that, if you search its account, you can't find it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.